We were recently asked, what's up with the compassion in your tagline? Welcome to Mercy J Auto Care, where compassion and craftsmanship come together. Well, we spent a lot of time really focused on getting our mission statement right because we wanted it simple so that all of our employees could embrace the culture of what we want to be about. Craftsmanship side, pretty easy. We basically want to do really good quality work for all of our clients. The compassion side of it, first of all, I want to make sure if you cannot look in the mirror and recognize that you have great value and you are precious and beautiful, then we need to talk. Because that's something that we value in this shop. The idea is that everyone we lock eyes with has value and we need to treat them as such. So we talk a lot here about things like empathy, and compassion's obviously the big one. One of the things we do here is we don't talk about jobs. We always mention who owns the vehicle. Because when it comes to that craftsmanship, I think it also makes a difference. It's easy for a mechanic or technician to become so focused on fixing the mechanical thing that he or she can forget that they're working for somebody. And the person driving that vehicle, maybe they have children, maybe they don't. Maybe they have somebody that they love who rides in the passenger seat of the car. Maybe they have animals. But whoever they are, they have a face, they have a name, they're valuable to us. And one of the things I'm really most proud about in my business is I've gotten a number of comments from parts delivery people saying that they love to come to our shop because they're treated so well here. Also, I was down at the emissions testing facility not too long ago, and they said the same thing. They always appreciate it when one of our staff brings a car down there because they just feel like we treat them well. And so that's our compassion. We believe it with all of our heart. You know, a lot of businesses, they talk a lot about integrity, honesty, all that kind of stuff, and sometimes it's just words. Sometimes it's not. But for us, we really focused on this because it's so important to us to make sure that each and every person feels valued and that they're better off having an encounter with us. Thanks for watching, and until next time, safe travels and blessings to you.